You got it?
Got it. It's got a little F number on it.
That's the one!
Yes.
You found it!
And he automatically wins the prize.
My message worked.
I've just crashed the drone into Ed's head. So, a review of the damage done to said drone. DJI, you built a plucky little fella here, I'll tell you that much. So there, the casing's come away a bit, but I think it will just pop back on, and then the we actually found the thing that goes back on the front. One of the propellers is broke, but I've got spares, and I think it's all good. Other than that, it survived. There's a few scuff marks here and there, but it survived a heavy crash. That was a fast crash as well, so it's done really well.
What?
Whoa!
You so close.
Can you list these 12?
We're here at the Geyser Centre. We've come to see the geysers. All the geysers.
There's one right here in the car park. No.
So we've just seen the geyser explode, but I wasn't filming it, so we're obviously going to come down here and we're going to wait, because it's done it a couple times now, so we think we're going to be able to get a cheeky little, because it looks pretty wild. So let's take a look. I thought it was gonna come again. Oh my goodness me, that was huge. I thought the water was coming this way. I had moved back. I was like,
Very nice, Edward. Okay. Off-roading, tell me. Oh, goodness me.
take the kids to school. I mean, at least we know it's over there.
Yeah.
But
Alright.
you know, it's pretty far out.
It's because Ed already knew what was coming. Decided to go a lot
It's
slower.
also because I could see down as to what we were going into, but when you're going up, you just see the edge. You're like,
And also, we were going to, what's that exclamation mark for? Sorry, everybody.
Look at that thing. Goodness me, that's huge.
Right, shall we quickly get down there?
get down there.
Oh, I need my tripod.
Shall we quickly get down it? Oh, check Ed rushing us. Fancy Ed rushing us when we was all the way over there. So we're at Gullfoss, which I'm going to go and film the sign for you. Now, when we came originally, which was like an hour and 20 ago, he was on the other side. There's like a small cabin over there, right where my finger is. And Ed's Apple Maps decided to take us on the roughest road ever to get all the way to the other side with like a 30-minute hike. And there's right here with a visitor centre and a route straight down. And it was 5 minutes from where we were. So we've lost an hour and 20, but we finally made it alive to Gullfoss. So let's hope now that this waterfall is worth it. Oh wow. So damage wise, here's the damage report, okay. We lost a couple of propellers, easy fix. I've got spares. However, this is a little bit wobbly, so we are going to test fly it in here as well, so see how we get on. This as well, Gull light, man. I'm fixing my drone.
It's not about size.
Yours is empty. It's about what's inside. Just close your eyes and listen to it. Oh! It sounds horrible, doesn't it?
You can get it just
It sounds horrendous. So sorry. I'm so sorry.